In this custom engaged training video, we'll be looking at DFSI specific considerations when adding a user to the system. In this video, we will look at a few different points. The first point to note is that you should limit the number of administration users in the system. Whilst a lot of people would like to be administration users, having administration users in the system can have quite a high impact on the system. This user level has the ability to change a number of different areas of the system, including campaigns, invites and surveys, and without careful use and careful consideration can cause issues to other users of the system. Second, it's important to understand that the data in the system that you and your users will see is filtered by the division. Remembering from an earlier video that division and segment A or entity are the same. If we look at the data sheet that shows DFSI divisions and data mappings, you can see that the division is different for each of these different groups. What this means is people who are in division, say IDG, cannot see data for people in CIRA or fair trading, and vice versa. This is to preserve the data integrity between the two different groups. The second thing to note in this area is that each user can only be assigned one division. For instance, you can't be assigned both the CIRA division and the IDG division. When you add users to your system, you will only be able to add users to the division to which you have been added yourself. You will also only see users in your division in the user manager. And lastly, and just to remind you, you and your users will only see data from your division. Let's look briefly at a system to see how this will actually occur when you look at the users. If you go to the user manager, where you can manage different users within your system, you will see that you can only see users who are already in your division. Additionally, when you do create a new user, you will only be able to assign them to the one division, the division in which you are already a part of. Also, when adding new users to the system, make sure that you change the time zones to a relevant time zone, generally Sydney, and also ensure that you enable status as Y. So just to review the key points of this video. Number one, limit the number of administration users that you have in the system, as administration users have quite a lot of power in the system and can make changes and of course unintended consequences. The second is that all of the data will be filtered by division, remembering that division and segment A or entity are the same thing. That each user can only be assigned to one division, that you can only add users and see users in your own division, and that you and your users will only see data